Welcome, everyone, to Angie's Sensational Crafts. Today, she's making a special order wreath, and she's going to tell you all about it. So, Angie, why don't you tell everybody um, where you got the placard, what type of petals you're making, and stuff like that?
This is I forgot what type of petal this is, but it's just like a kerfuffle type petal. Um, and the lady who ordered, she's got a dog, a bulldog, and her name is Lucy. And so I'm making her a wreath because she wanted the bulldog for her dog. And here's what I have so far. And it says Bulldog Coffee Company, and it says premium quality on it. So she wanted like brown and white, and then I'm gonna put red here, two pieces of red here, and two pieces of red here, and then I'm gonna add two dog um two dog ribbons like this next to the red that's gonna be on the inside, and hopefully she'll enjoy it for her and Lucy and her hubby. So this is what I have so far, and now I'm going on my second row right here. I have 12, so I ran out of this color, so I'm just going to substitute it for this, and it'll still look good either way. So what you do is you take your piece of mesh and you fold it in the middle, and then take this part and fold it over, and then you scrunch it in the middle, flip it over, and then flip it over on top of the other one like this, and then you just slide it right into your wreath form, like so. And then I'm going to be doing this all the way around for the dog wreath. And when I get the red done and everything, then I'll come back and I'll show you what I have done.
And where did you get the placard? Because I know you have to order them
From Amazon. From Amazon. They have different metal signs that you can order from, different dog types. So like I said, she's got a bulldog, so she wanted this one.
And I think there's other vendors too that you get supplies from. So, are there any other vendors that you'd like to mention?
Mm, not right offhand, because I get a lot of stuff from Etsy, and I can't remember their names right offhand. So I'd have to look it up and tell everybody.
All right, so we're looking forward to seeing the finished product. And thanks again for watching.